We already learned all basics of animations. Let's start to make it quickly, little bit. In the end we will get that animation in preview. Let's create a new composition at first. Write in the name line. 3 seconds is enough. I will make it faster than before because we already learned all of this. Let's create a line. Stroke width 20 is enough. Let's add here zigzag. Put here 5 segments and increase the size. Change corner to smooth for better looking. Also smooth the start and end sides. Go to stroke, choose round cap. Okay, let's start to animate it. We need to add trim path for it. Make it 0. Put keyframe in the beginning. Go to second. Increase end parameter to 100. Then go to 10 frames. Put keyframe on start. Then go to 2 seconds and 10 frames and increase start point to 100. Select all this, press F9, go to graph editor, make curve a little bit. Something like this. Okay, very nice. Let's leave this composition and create a new composition. Right here line repeater. 3 seconds is enough for us now. Let's create a new line shape. Something like this. Stroke width 20 is enough. Let's add a repeater. Now we need 9 copies. Go to transform of repeater, make position 0 from both sides and write in rotation 40. As you see, now it's not symmetrically. Let's fix it. Let's do it from anchor point. Play with this number to get something about this. The numbers can be different. It's okay. Let's add here trim path. Okay. As you see, when we are increasing from 0, it's not giving us the animations that we need. We want it to begin from center and go to the end of borders. Let's make both of them 100 for getting need animation. In the beginning of composition, put keyframe to end parameter, go to 1 second and 10 frames and make it 0. Then go 10 frames. Put keyframe, then go to 1 second 10 frames forward. You can write here to get accurate from frame number. Decrease this to 0, select all, press F9, go to graph editor and make curve. What we get? Very nice. We can change curve more. Very nice. Let's fix the edges. Go to stroke. Change butt cap to round cap.